Good morning, everyone. It's time to make a nutritious and delicious breakfast. Let's make some chocolate brownie baked oats. So to start, you're going to need half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, and to that you're going to add 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. You just want to mix that until it's well combined. This recipe serves 2 people and is around 300 calories each. I love that this recipe is so easy and doesn't require mixers and whisks. It's perfect for busy mornings. I'll whip this up, pop it in the oven and make myself a cuppa and turn on the washing machine, and it's done. This recipe tastes like dessert for breakfast. Need I say more? To this, we're going to add our wet ingredients, starting with half a cup of milk. You can use whole milk or soy milk, that's entirely up to you. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, which can be replaced with honey or sugar for those who are less health conscious. 1 teaspoon of oil and half a teaspoon of vanilla. You just want to mix that in with a spatula. And you can see how easy this recipe is. And most of us have all of these ingredients in our kitchen all the time. Seeing as this recipe contains oats, it's super healthy and keeps you fuller for longer. But I also like to serve this with some fresh berries. They complement the baked oat brownie so well. Guys, if you like what you see, show your support by giving this video a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel for more amazing recipes. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chunks, but at this point you can also add some nuts or berries. This recipe is so versatile, you can change things up according to what you have at home. But keep in mind the calorie count will alter, which won't matter to people like you or me, right? Grease 2 4-ounce ramekins with melted butter. This prevents the baked oats from sticking to the ramekin because you won't want to waste a single crumb. I'm telling you, you guys are going to be eating this for midnight snacks or even changing it up for dinner. Since I started making this has been my go-to breakfast and maybe a snack too. Divide the batter between the ramekins and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Do not bake it for any longer. It's better to underbake this like you would a regular brownie because you want that gooey brownie texture. Top with some Nutella if you're feeling indulgent and add some chopped walnuts. This is an amazing breakfast. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.